Hola, buenos dias. So for this video, we're going to be looking at Spanish superlatives. Superlatives are words like biggest, smallest, or most boring, least interesting, and that's what we're going to be doing here. So to form superlatives, you're going to want to use the following. It is el, la, los, or las. I mean, that's the word the in Spanish. A noun, which is a person, place, or thing. The words más or menos, which would be like most or least, and then an adjective. And I've got 7 examples here for you so you can kind of get the idea. So el hombre más alto would be the tallest man. We'll keep going down. La computadora más lenta would be the slowest computer. Literally, these are the man most tall or the computer most slow. Keep going. We have los estudiantes más trabajadores, the hardest working students, and we have las blusas más bonitas. I just made a mistake. The prettiest blouses. So we also have to keep in mind, you'll see that I just made an error there myself, is that these adjectives still need to match the noun they're describing. So hombre is masculine singular, so alto is going to be masculine singular, computer feminine, lenta feminine, make it plural if your noun is plural, and so on. Got 3 more over here on the right. We have la mujer más fuerte, which would be the strongest woman. La ropa menos cara, the least or less expensive clothing. Least sounds better, to be honest. And then los tacos más asquerosos would be the most disgusting tacos. Let's keep going down. If you want to put these into a sentence or a phrase and say in, on, or of, you could use the preposition de. For example, el hombre más alto de la ciudad would be the tallest man in the city or of the city. La computadora más lenta de la escuela, the slowest computer at school or in school. If you want to put a verb after these superlatives, you'll want to use the word que instead of de. For example, el hombre más alto que trabaja aquí, the tallest man who works here. Los estudiantes más trabajadores que estudian en la biblioteca, the hardest working students that study in the library. Notice the word que there kind of separates the adjective from the verb. Let's keep going down, and let's look at making these previous examples into complete sentences. How about I scroll that back up so you can see the original and then the new ones. And we're going to do this by adding another verb at the beginning of the sentence. Really simple. So the examples are, es el hombre más alto que trabaja aquí. He's the tallest man that works here, or the tallest man who works here. Son los estudiantes más trabajadores que estudian en la biblioteca, would be they are the hardest working students that study in the library. So you can see that you can make these into sentences really quite easily if you want to. There are some irregular superlatives. Of course, there's a lot of irregular stuff in Spanish. So here's an example with each one. So we have bueno over here on the left, which means good. But I can't say, in English, you can't say goodest, for example. You have to say it's the best. It's also irregular in English, I guess. And we're not going to say más bueno. That doesn't work for here. What you're going to do is you're going to completely change the word. And the new word is going to be mejor. So the example I give you is el carro mejor es el carro rojo. So the best car is the red car. Malo means bad. If I want to say worst, I can't say más malo. I would actually change the word, and the word is right here. So it's peor. If I want to say, here's an example. La camiseta peor es tu camiseta. The worst shirt is your shirt. Old is viejo. If I want to just say oldest, like he's my oldest brother, I'll use the word mayor. So el hermano mayor es inteligente. The oldest brother is smart. And joven means young, but if I want to say youngest, I'm just going to use the word menor. La hermana menor es creativa. The youngest sister is creative. I've got one more little note here for you, and then we'll be done. When mayor and menor refer to age, like you saw in my previous examples, they follow the noun. I'll give you a couple more examples. Mi perro menor se llama Bolt. My youngest dog is Bolt, or his name is Bolt. The other one is mi tía menor vive en Los Angeles. My youngest aunt lives in LA. Those refer to age, so you notice that the menor comes after the noun. I don't know why I did youngest twice, so it doesn't matter. However, these words, menor and mayor, can also refer to amounts or quality. And when this happens, they're going to precede the noun or come before the noun that they modify. So for example, vi un menor número de estudiantes en clase hoy. I saw a smaller number of students in class today. Notice that the word menor comes before the noun that is modifying. And then the second example is, la historia tiene mayor importancia que la computación. History has greater importance than computers or computer science. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully I didn't go too fast. It made sense to you. If you have questions, let me know in the description of the video or in the comment section. Also in the description of the video, I will put a link to the document you see on the screen just in case you want to read over it more or save it or whatever. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Hasta luego.